Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing a hedgehog. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, I'm starting with this sweater. So the first thing I'm doing a curvy line that goes to the right, and then I'm doing a teeny tiny line that goes down, and then I want to do another line just like this one, leaving a space in the middle, and I'm going to join them here. The next thing will be the face. So for that I'm going inside the kind of like the curve that I did, and I'm going up and ending in a curve, and from this point I'm going to do exact same shape. I'm going to do a curve, and now I'm going down, and it ends up inside the first shape I did. Now let's do nose here. So the nose is a little heart, and to the side I want to do two lines that go down, and I'm passing 2 times here so it just make it thicker. The eyes, I want to start with the eyes with 2 tiny circles, and you can leave it like this if you want, but I like my eyes big. So I'm gonna do here 2 circles around these ones, so just make the eyes look bigger. And now I'm gonna glue this part, the black part, I'm gonna just color a little bit more, make it a little bigger. There. Now for the smile, I'm just gonna do teeny tiny smile here. The next thing will be the ears. So here I'm doing half a circle, just like that, and a line on the top. Now here a line and a half a circle and a line inside. And now let's continue with the sweater. So the sweater here, I'm gonna do here 3 actually curvy lines that go down. And let's do the same in the right side. 1, 2, and 3. Now let's join these 2 together with a line that is not actually perfectly straight because it's a sweater. I'm going to do one more line up here and just leaving a little space in between. The next thing is the sleeves of the sweater, and these ones are kind of like a rectangle shape. Let's do a curvy line, a line here, and another curvy line, and then we join them together. The little hands, just 2 lines and 3 U shapes together. Let's do it again. 1 line, 3 U shapes, and 1 line. On top of here, I'm putting 2 lines to continue with the sleeves of the sweater. Perfect. Now let's do the bottom. So the bottom, I'm going to start with a diagonal line, then curves a little and goes to the right, and then curves a little and goes up. Then the feet is gonna be 2 ovals, and one is pointing to the left a little bit and the other one pointing to the right. Okay, let's continue with the spikes. It looks like his hair, but here I'm starting doing little triangles, and if you notice, it's round on the top and a little straight on the bottom. See? And as we go down, the spikes are gonna be pointing down also. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward a little bit this part, and I'm just doing triangles all around, and remember, as they go down, they start also pointing down. The next thing here, I wanna do an acorn, and it's just half a circle, and on the bottom is kind of like a U shape, and here let's do a little triangle. Now on this, I'm gonna do a leaf, and these leaves are kind of like a U shapes. They are all joined together. Okay, let's do it again. So it's gonna be kind of like a U shapes. They go all together, and then a line in the middle. And I want to do one more here, and this one is like the classic leaf. It's kind of like a drop shape. And let's do a last one here, another one the same, kind of like a drop shape. And that's it, we finished. And now this time I'm gonna guide you to the process of coloring. Ready? Let's do it. Okay, I want to start with a color that is kind of like the skin color. It's an orange, a really light orange, and with that I'm gonna do the hands, the face, and the bottom. Next, the sweater is like an orange color, and I'm not doing anything special here. The next thing will be the feet. It's a light brown, and with that light brown I'm just going around the neck and the side of the head. The spikes are a brown color, and I'm leaving just a little space white on the top. Then with this color pencil, I'm doing shades under the sleeves, on the side of the sweater, and under the neck, you see, and under the sweater too. It's going way too fast, but you can see I'm coloring on circles, really smooth and really light. Then with this black color, I'm doing the same thing. I'm coloring in circles and just around and in behind the hedgehog, just like that. And the next thing will be with this brown color, I'm gonna do more spikes, like just lines around. And then we're gonna color here the acorn, and the leaves I'm using yellows and oranges, and you can also combine these two so it gives them more volume. Next, with this white gel pen, I'm gonna do more details on the top of the spikes, and if you just do lines, it will make it more like light. The sweater is gonna be all full of little tiny lines, and you have to be patient with this because it's gonna be a lot of lines. And you can also change the texture. These pens are awesome, and remember to do your shadows or shading your sweater before you do the white. Okay, now let's put more shade here with the color pencil under the eyes and on his nose. And the last step is gonna be go all the way around with black marker just to do thicker line all around, and this is also gonna pop the colors. And good job! Now we are done! If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!